Lawn Dog and Hotor Twan Dog. It's almost midnight. April Fools. We are about to head out and do the Louisiana Tour of Honor. We're gonna do about 1,000 miles, seven veteran memorial sites. See if we can win us a trophy this year. God be with us, keep us safe, and y'all come along for the ride. All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Everybody, it's 5:15 or something in the morning. We're in Shreveport. We did this is our third stop, the Tour of Honor. We had a police and firefighter, first responder memorial behind us there. We did a Vietnam memorial in Ball, and we did just a armed service memorial in Mansoura. But it's cold. It's freaking cold. It's cold. It's cold. But, you know, we're having a good time. I'm cold. All right, we on our way to Ruston. Yeah, Ruston. You want to say nothing? Are you cold? All right, y'all. Bye.
Bye.
Lawn Dog, Hotor, and Twan Dog, Hotor, coming to you live from Bastrop in front of the Morehouse Veterans Memorial Statue. This was our 5th Tour of Honor site. We did, I know I made a video in Shreveport. We did Ruston, and then now we're in Bastrop, and then now we getting on the road for about 4 or 5 hours to freaking Slidell. So from Bastrop to Slidell. So this is gonna be the long haul. So we've been good. It's been good. It's been a good ride, but we ain't done yet. All right, y'all. See y'all later. Bye-bye.
Turn that frown upside down, 'cause this is how it goes in my hometown. Take a deep breath. This is a all-night affair. Welcome to the country of laissez-faire.
Hey, everybody. It's Lawn Dog and Twan Dog coming to you live from Slidell, Louisiana. We made it. Number 6. We got 657 miles clocked. That means we got 343 left to go to get to 1,000. We got to drive all the way to Jennings. It's I don't know what time is it, right? Like 2 o'clock. So I think we're gonna make it to Jennings by, I don't know, like maybe 6-ish. I don't know, but it feels like we've been freaking driving for 18 days.
We have.
Oh, look, she's tapped out. She's laid out on the ground. But that's all right. She's going to get up. We're going to do it again. This morning we were freezing. Now we sweating our asses off. But that's okay. We're in a veteran cemetery, paying our respects. And we're going to pick up a little bit of trash before we leave. Y'all have a good day. We'll see y'all later. Bye. Hey y'all, we made it to Jennings. We are done with Tour of Honor. Whew, it's been a long day. We got about 140 miles left to do to get to 1,000. So we're gonna just go right around and then go home. Cause we are freaking tired. You tired, Antoinette?
Yep.
Oh my God, I'm so tired. It's gonna be a good night. I really want some whiskey. But we'll be home soon, so I can't even think straight right now. Okay, bye. 2020. We got home about 10 minutes ago. 1,003 miles. Yeah, I'm tired. I feel like I'm doing this. Ooh. It's time to go take a bath and sleep till next year. All right, y'all. Thank y'all. Y'all have a good night. Bye-bye. Everybody! It's Laurent Dog Hotard coming to you live from the past. Today is a special day. It's Antoinette's birthday, September 1st, 2023. She's now like, I don't know, 42 or something. Anyway, we got Gerald and Janae. Gigi! Gonna join us for a ride to Arkansas this morning. All right, we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna be safe. We're gonna go ride some roads on the motorcycles. So y'all follow us. Y'all hang out. We'll see y'all a little bit later. Bye!
You had dreams of rocking all the freaky masses. Then you sold your guitar to take care of me. This song's for you. You know it's true. From all the trouble we had. On to the hero! You are there. Even though it was part of your master plan. Said the beer is free. I and turn that frown upside down. 'Cause this is how it goes.